Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts. Are you looking for a way to collaborate with other accounts on Instagram? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll show you how to create collaborative posts on Instagram, step by step. First, open up your Instagram app on your Android device. Tap the plus icon sign to create a new post. Next, upload the content you want to share. Once you've uploaded the content, click on Tag People. Now, click on Invite Collaborator. This will allow you to search for the account you want to collaborate with. Search for the account and click on their profile. This will send them a request to collaborate on the post. Wait for them to accept the request. Once they've accepted, you'll be able to see their profile picture on your post. And that's it. You've successfully created a collaborative post on Instagram. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can now collaborate with other accounts on Instagram and reach a wider audience. So go ahead, give it a try, and let us know in the comments below how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.